My name is Dave McCurley. I'm the Executive Director of Accenture's Texas government practice, and very proud to bring the Accenture Interactive Command and Control Wall to the GTC conference. The Command and Control Wall actually brings together a variety of somewhat available technologies in a new way, and allows you to have on a broad touchscreen the ability to aggregate all kinds of data from different sources, evaluate the reliability of those sources, and then use that to have good intelligence to guide decisions in the times of crisis, in the event of a disaster response, in planning for counterterrorism or insurgency or drug interdiction kinds of things, and so a variety of border management issues as well. So we've got a variety of those kinds of things available, and it's really a first of its kind to bring all of them together and be able to interact with them in a command and control environment.
My name is Adam Pilon with Accenture Technology Labs with Accenture in Chicago, Illinois.
Okay, take it away.
Okay, so here I have a research prototype where I'd like to act on some data sources I have available to me. In this case, we have a map of Texas and a map of Mexico, and one of the data sources I have available to me are cases of avian flu outbreaks in Mexico. Some of these cases have been reported by man on the street, other cases have been reported by WHO. So therefore, a group of analysts have looked at this data and they've assigned a case competence based on these factors. Who reported it? Do we really believe it's a case of avian flu, or are we not so confident? As an analyst, I can decide which cases I really want to work on. So I'm going to work on this group of cases. So that's one group of data. The next group of data I'm going to work with is travel paths. So these are possible travel paths of avian flu in the United States. And it could be shipping channels, car paths, walking paths, historical data, etc. And again, another group of analysts have looked at this data and they assigned a risk factor based on the ease of travel. So as I move my risk assessment slider, different paths will appear and disappear. So I've decided I'm going to work on these travel paths right here. And I'm going to do some what-if scenarios on this data. So some of the tools I have available to me show up here when I click on assets. Some assets might be patrol units, aid stations, security cameras, border checkpoints. So what I'm going to do is take the border checkpoint, move it up to this travel path. I'm going to take a patrol unit and maybe a security camera, because they're actually fairly inexpensive to deploy. So I'm going to hit the commit asset button, and you'll notice that those travel paths have disappeared because our background and back-end analytics engine believes that if we apply these assets to those travel paths, we'll mitigate the flow through those paths.